Welcome back, viewers. If you remember, in some of the earlier videos I have shown you how to install the MX Conky themes in Debian, in Arch I have shown you. So in today's video we are going to see how to install the MX Conky themes on the OpenSuse Tumbleweed desktop. So you have to first download the MX Conky master data file. So it will be a zip file from the MX Conky GitHub page. So MX Linux Conky GitHub page is there. So I will share the link. So you have to download the theme folders from there. So I have already downloaded the theme folder and I have extracted the theme folder. So in this video I will show you how to install the MX AP info theme. So this is the theme. So this is my favorite theme. So this is how it looks. So this theme we are going to install in OpenSuse Tumbleweed GNOME desktop. So the theme configuration is given here. So I will just open. So this is the theme configuration. You can see it here. So what you have to do is you have to copy this completely up to the end curly bracket. There will be a curly bracket at the end. So you have to copy up to that. So it is a square bracket. So you have to just copy it up to here. Color. Then what you have to do is you have to open the etc conky folder in your OpenSuse. So you have to open the OpenSuse partition. So the partition where OpenSuse is installed, you have to go and open the etc folder. Then you have to open the conky folder in the etc folder, and there will be two files. One will be the conky x11 configuration and other file will be conky configuration. So you have to open the conky configuration file, and there you have to search for the starting curly bracket. So you can see here conky.config is equal to curly bracket. So all the code from there up to the end, that is the ending bracket at the end, you have to select and remove it. So you have to select up to here, you have to remove it, and then what you have to do is you have to select the code from here. So complete code from here, from the informant conky up to the end, that is up to here, you have to select. So I will just show you. I will just select again and show you. And then you have to paste it there in the conky.configuration file. So you have to do like this, copy, and from here go to the top and you have to paste it from here. So from here you have to paste, and then you have to save the file. After that, what you have to do is you have to open the Twix folder. So not Twix folder, Twix application. So GNOME Twix you have to open. In the GNOME Twix you have to go to the startup applications and you have to add the Conky. So remember, first we have to install the Conky application package. So you can install the Conky application package like this. I will just show you. Sudo zyper in Conky. So this will install the Conky and all the dependencies that are required for the Conky to run. After that, you have to open the etc conky folder. Then in the folder you have to open the conky.configuration file. You have to copy the code for the AP info MX Conky, and then you have to copy that Conky configuration code to the conky.configuration in the etc conky folder. And after that you have to add the Conky for the startup applications using the Twix application of GNOME desktop. If you don't have the Twix GNOME desktop application, you have to install the Twix application. You have to just do sudo zipper or sudo zyper, whatever you call it, in Twix. So that will install this Twix application, and that's it. And you have to reboot. So once the system will reboot, the Conky will auto start, and the this MX Conky will be visible on the screen. Just I will show you it is visible or not. So what I will do is I will close this folder. It is visible. Then I will close this also. Then you have to close this. Then what I will do is, you can see it here, it is visible. I will just minimize this. You can see it is running perfectly, just like it was there shown in the extracted folder. Only thing, the distribution name is not visible, so I will have to go in deep and find out why the distribution name is not visible. But because it was not also visible in Debian and Arch also, it is not visible in OpenSUSE also. But if you use this MS Conky theme in MS Linux, then of course the operating system or the distribution name is visible, but it is not visible either in Debian, in Arch, or in this OpenSUSE, because that is only the drawback. Otherwise everything, all the other data is visible, and the system temperature is also not visible, so that is also second drawback. Besides this, everything works, it works perfectly, it does not crash. I am using this for last 15-20 days. It is very stable, nothing is, there is no other issue, and even after multiple big updates also, the Conky works perfectly. I got big 4747 packages update recently in the OpenSUSE Tumbleweed, but this Conky worked perfectly even then also, so it will serve you very good in OpenSUSE. On this note, I will stop the video here. See you in the another video with some other good stuff about Linux. Bye bye.